Hello students, welcome to the class on marketing management. My name is Rishi Chakravarti and I am assistant professor in the Department of Management of Assam Downtown University. Here, you will be learning about a very important thing called marketing segmentation. So market segmentation is a very integral part of marketing management. Now the main question that arises is, why segmentation? And what is segmentation? So here in the introduction part, I will give you a brief explanation about the segmentation part, what is segmentation and why it is needed. Now, why segment the market? Because segmentation allows to meet customer needs more precisely. It increases profit, segment leadership. It helps in retaining the customer base. It focuses the market communications. So segmentation actually helps a marketer to better understand customers and to focus more on what is being communicated to the customers so that the loyal customers, they remain in that particular company and purchase the products and services. Segmentation actually is the process of dividing a market into distinct groups of buyers with different needs, characteristics or behavior who might require separate products of marketing programs. So it is a process of dividing the entire group of buyers who have different needs or characteristics. So people having different needs, they are segmented in one group. People having different characteristics, they are segmented into another group. So in this way, this particular process helps marketers to achieve their goals and focus on the customers in a more better way. In the upcoming lectures, I will be discussing with you on what basis the segmentation is done. And then you will be able to understand in a much better way about this particular terms, market segmentation. Thank you very much.